Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buckle up, cause we're diving into the sizzling 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale Veloce. This ain't your average compact SUV, folks. This Italian stallion is a head-turner, a heart pumper, and a testament to Alfa's legendary spirit. So, let's peel back the layers and see what makes this Tonale tick. Exterior. The Tonale Veloce cuts a sleek figure on the road. Imagine a sculpted blend of sharp lines and smooth curves, all draped in a head-turning silhouette. The iconic tri-lobo grille bares its teeth up front, flanked by seductive LED headlights. Out back, those boomerang taillights scream Alfa heritage, while the quad exhaust pipes whisper promises of adrenaline. This ain't just a pretty face, though. The Veloce wears its performance credentials proudly. With aggressive aero bits and sporty 19-inch wheels, you'll be stopping hearts and traffic lights in equal measure. Interior. Step inside, and prepare to be transported to a world of Italian luxury. The Veloce cabin is a symphony of premium materials, from the buttery leather seats to the brushed aluminum accents. But this ain't just about old school charm. The Tonale boasts a digital cockpit with a 12.3-inch driver display and a massive 10.25-inch touchscreen. Connected and entertained, while a plethora of driver assistance features keeps you safe. It's a blend of passion and practicality that only Alfa can pull off. Now, let's talk about the real reason you're here. The heart of the beast. The Veloce packs a punch with its plug-in hybrid powertrain. A 1.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder teams up with an electric motor to unleash 285 horsepower and 347 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to 0-60 in a neck-snapping 5.5 seconds, and a top speed of 125 miles per hour. But it's not just about raw power. The Tonale offers exhilarating handling. Thanks to its sharp steering and adaptive suspension, you'll carve corners with precision, leaving rubber and smiles in your wake. Don't let the performance fool you. The Tonale Veloce sips fuel like a caffeinated espresso. Thanks to its hybrid magic, you'll enjoy an EPA estimated 29 miles per gallon combined, with up to 36 miles of electric-only range. So, you can enjoy the thrill of Alfa performance without breaking the bank at the pump. The 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale Veloce isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's a statement of passion, a celebration of Italian heritage, and a reminder that driving can be an exhilarating adventure. If you're looking for a compact SUV that's equal parts style, performance, and efficiency, then look no further. The Tonale Veloce is ready to ignite your soul and leave your competition in the dust. So, get down to your Alfa Romeo dealer and take the Tonale Veloce for a spin. You might just fall in love with the Italian way of life. Just remember, passion comes with a price tag, and the Veloce starts at around $50,000. But hey, for a taste of La Dolce Vita on four wheels, it might just be worth every penny. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale Veloce. Would you consider taking one home? And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more hot takes on the hottest rides. Until next time, stay passionate, stay gearheaded. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.